The Booking a Royal Hemi fasting box really was a reset that I needed for not just my eating, not just my relationship with food, but also for so many things in my life that I didn't realize needed to change. You name it, I've probably tried it. I've tried lots of different diets through the years, and through the recommendation of a friend, I did try the fasting box. It was my first time ever fasting. I had a very negative view about fasting in general. To not eat, it's not healthy. That was my understanding. And I'll be honest, it was very challenging for the first couple of days. The second day especially, I was having some really heavy struggles, especially in the afternoon. And I almost even thought about breaking the fast. But there were a lot of tools that were included in the box that were very helpful, along with the support that was given. The Herbal Essence was my favorite product because it actually worked. I didn't think that just drinking some of the Herbal Essence would make such a big difference, but within 10 minutes I felt better. I made it past the craving. Originally, when I got the box and I looked at everything inside, I thought that maybe this wouldn't be enough for me. Could I have eaten more? Of course, but it was enough. The soups were very good. I'm a vegetarian, and so all of the soups for me, they were very, very tasty. They tasted very wholesome and natural. I tasted the vegetables on a strong level, and yeah, I really enjoyed them. And the asparagus soup was actually my favorite. My energy level was more than enough, and in fact, as the days went on, by the fourth day, I had the highest energy of any of the days. Even eating very little, I still had enough energy to get things done during my day, and that was a little surprising to me because I thought that when you're doing the fasting program, in my mind, I would have imagined that you're not being so active, but one of the parts of the program is to be more active. I've had friends and family say things to me. They've noticed changes in maybe how I look, my energy level, my skin, and when they notice changes, and I tell them it's directly from the fasting, and they're surprised because they also can't imagine that you can get results, not just weight loss, but life changes also from the box. And so absolutely, I recommend it to friends and family. I don't know any other diet or any other thing that I've tried in the past to maintain my weight that has not only worked, but continued to work. I don't have heavy cravings. I'm able to be social and have friends and people around me eating and enjoying things, and I just eat smaller portions, or I eat something else. But it's easy without trying, and I never would have thought that would come from just 5 days of a fasting program, that the after effects would last so long. I would recommend the box to anyone who's looking to make changes in their life. You're going to make it through, and you're going to have awesome results.